talk. Is it? Those are trumps. Those are trumps. Guarantee those are trumps.
What the hell? Oh, dude, come on, man! Oh, that's sick as shit, bro.
Pretty cool, huh? Yes. Oh, it's probably swan feathers, huh? Widgeons, huh? Okay. Wow, they were cooking it.
Pretty bird. Nice shot, Berkeley.
Thank you.
You want to keep?
She's like, take him, take him.
That's a nice widgeon.
Heck yeah.
I like its head.
What breed?
I like its head.
They're
That's
pretty,
the one
huh?
we found it out.
Yeah, they are.
It's legal, it's up to you.
What?
Okay.
Up there.
It's a tundra too. Yep.
Taken?
Just wait, he might come back.
Going to the left where he may.
Yeah.
Come back, bro. Make it pretty.
Tundras. One of the, like 2 swans in front of him. I think you could probably get one. Yeah, go for it.
Right into the sun.
Got any more bullets? Here's my gun. You want to try a good one? We've got 3 swans in front of it. Okay,
Put it right in front. I don't know. I can't tell, dude.
I can't either. I'm not sure. It's probably
Why
a
isn't you tooting, man?
They're tundras. Good birds to shoot if you have a shot. Go ahead. About three feet. You got him. If he glides in the field, we'll at least get him up there. As long as he goes down here pretty quick.
Go down. Come on, buddy.
Yeah, you're good.
Come on. You think that's gettable?
I think so. If he hurries and goes. Yep. It's right up by my uncle's house.
That's not good.
Nice bird. He's a tank, yeah. The freaking tank, though. Awesome bird.
I literally yelled at Burke. I was like, if he has a better shot, just tell him to shoot it. I already did the hard work.
What, running him down? Just kidding.
That sucked. Woo! Well, get a couple pics with me.
Yeah, do that for sure. Beautiful bird.